In this video, you'll learn how to create a directory listing website on WordPress using the ListingHive theme. By following these steps, you will be able to set up a fully functional directory site tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com homepage. In the top menu, find the option labeled Sites. Click on it to access your site dashboard. This is where you will manage your WordPress sites and start the creation process. Next, look for the button that says Create with AI. Clicking this will initiate the AI site builder, which simplifies the setup process by guiding you through essential configurations for your new site. Wait briefly for the system to load the AI interface. Once the AI interface appears, you will see a message stating laying the foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing to assist you in building your directory listing website. Patience is necessary as this step may take a moment. After the message disappears, you will be prompted to create a website that reflects your unique vision. Enter the phrase, create a directory listing website into the text field provided. This sets the foundation for the type of site you want to build. Following that, press the Enter key on your keyboard to submit your input. A confirmation message will appear indicating that WordPress can indeed create a directory listing website. This confirmation is crucial to ensure you are on the right track. Now, you will need to type in the option presented above, which will guide the AI on how to proceed. Make sure to read the prompt carefully to ensure you select the correct choice. Once you have entered the information, again, press Enter to confirm your selection. A new message will appear guiding you to the next step in the setup process. This flow is essential for a smooth user experience. At this point, WordPress will ask you for the title of your website, which will be displayed in the browser tab. Type in the name you've chosen for your site, which should reflect the purpose of your directory. After entering the site name, press Enter to move to the next step. The system will recognize your input and prepare for the subsequent configuration. You will then be prompted to provide a short tagline or description that summarizes what your directory offers. This is important for SEO and helps visitors understand the purpose of your site. Once you have crafted your tagline, type it into the designated field and hit Enter. This action will finalize your site description and continue the setup process. Next, you will click on the Create My Site button. This step is significant as it officially initiates the creation of your directory listing website. Wait for the system to process your request. Following that, you will see a message saying, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This indicates that the site creation process is underway. Remain patient as this may take a few moments depending on server load and your internet speed. As the system generates your website, you might notice a loading indicator. This is a normal part of the process, and it is advisable to wait until the generation is complete to proceed. Finally, the system may inform you that the generation might take a while. This is a reminder that larger sites or complex configurations may require additional time. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during this phase, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.